How can you maximize your existing long-form videos for your YouTube channel's advantage? By converting it to YouTube Shorts that our YouTube friends will be able to discover instantly. In this video, I will guide you on how to convert your already uploaded long videos into a short on the go, because we will be able to do it directly from our phones. And yes, this includes how to toggle monetization as well for the short that you will create. Everything done using only our smartphone. Grab your phone and open up the YouTube app. Make sure that you are signed in to your YouTube account, of course. Tap your profile icon from the upper right corner and select your own channel. Tap the Videos tab to pull up your video library. By the way, you should only do this to your own original videos, okay? So once you're in your list of uploaded videos in your channel, select whatever specific long-form videos you would like to trim down into a YouTube short clip. While the video is playing, scroll this menu horizontally and look for the option that says Remix. Tap it, and from this menu that will slide up, hit Edit into a short. Your editing workspace will look like this, and note that the aspect ratio is already defaulted to a vertical 9:16. Once you're here, at the upper right corner, you will find that the default length is at 15 seconds. Tapping this number 15 at the upper right corner will switch your editing to a full 60 seconds or 1 minute long video clip, and you can toggle between 15 to 60 minutes by tapping the same. The length of the timeline down here is equivalent to whatever video length you've selected up there. Either set it for a 15-second length or 60. So at first, after we changed earlier 15 to a full 60 seconds, this highlighted piece of my selected video in the timeline is still marked for 15 seconds. If you change 15 to 60, you will have to drag this out point handle all the way to the right end of the timeline to use the entire 60 seconds. Or just drag it to the point in the video you would like to end your shorts with. Here on the program panel, whatever's inside this highlighted vertical frame will be included in the shot, or in this case, since we are editing an already existing video, in the final render. Everything that is in this grayed outside panels will be cropped out or excluded, so make sure to hold and drag the video in this window accordingly, so that whatever you want to show up in your vertical video clip as much as possible will be included. Going back to the timeline, hold and drag the video horizontally to bring it to the section you want to play in your YouTube short from your original video inside the in and out markers. Drag the in or starting marker to where you want the clip to start from. Drag the out or end marker to where you want to end the clip. Once you're satisfied with your selection, hit next. On the next page, you have the options to add and design the clip with text or words you can type in. Add a voiceover if you like. Pull up the timeline to further do trimming adjustments. Or add some color filters. Once done, hitting next will bring you to the add details page. This is where you will start setting up your YouTube short for posting, like adding a short title, setting the visibility, selecting for whom this short clip is for, and change the comment settings. At the lower part of this page, you are given the options to save this short vertical clip as a draft that you can go back to and edit, or go straight to uploading it for public viewing as a YouTube short under your channel. So if your editing is good to go ahead and click upload video and you are done. For how to monetize your newly created short video, unlike before that we need to toggle the monetization switch in a separate app called YouTube Creator Studio, this time, since YouTube Shorts is now an official feature of our YouTube channel, if your channel is already monetized and you are done accepting the agreement sent to you by YouTube for monetizing your YouTube Shorts, everything now is automatic. Just edit your long-form videos into shorts, upload it, and after it has been noted as uploaded, wait for a few minutes or perhaps just a few seconds for the ad suitability check to complete. And then later on, you will see that the $ has been placed by YouTube in your video for you. No more hassle doing a separate workflow and using a separate app for the monetization part. To double check if it's indeed there, pull up the YouTube Studio app that you can download from the Play Store or Apple Store, and from there you will see that indeed the $ is already all green and your short video is good to go for both viewing and earning. Thank you so much, YouTube, for making your content creators' lives much easier. And of course, as always, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this video helped you out in one way or another. If it did, do leave a like to support the channel and subscribe for more to help the channel grow its community of new friends. Z here at your service. I wish you all an awesome day. Stay creative, guys, and I will see you in the next one.